Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, it is the Boxy Charm. This is May's Boxy Charm. This is the Boxy Charm for May and it has a lot of goodies. I opened it to see what was in there. This is my Boxy Charm. I am trying to do this video, but I have a full house, so please excuse the noise. Boxy Charm for May is called Flourished. This is Boxy Charm right here. These are all the stuff in the back and the prices. I will tell you the prices as we go. The first item on there is MURAD CD Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And the moisturizer looks like, oh, I gotta take out stuff on it. Like this. This is the outside packaging. And let us see what's inside. I haven't opened that box yet. Ooh, okay. This is the outside packaging. And the cover. And if you take the cover off, if you press this, the product shows up here. This reminds me of something Avon did years ago. They used to have that kind of packaging where you squeeze and the product comes up. So this is worth $74. The second item is the Cabe Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow. And it came packaged like this, upside down, like this. Take the sleeves out. And this is the outside packaging. Cape Cosmetic Day plus Night. And this palette has a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night, all in one product. Okay, this is it. And it has a mirror over here. These are the colors. Little sleeve. These are the colors in here. They are pretty. And this is $52. I will swatch the pink. It's called Twinkle Twinkle. Let's see. This is Twinkle Twinkle. These are some of the colors in the palette. The shimmers look pretty. The mattes are nice, but you know, swatches don't come out that good, and I'm not that good at swatches. So, but this is pretty. These are pretty shimmers. The shimmers are pretty. Oh my god! I am going to do a look with this soon. Okay, here we are. I'll do a couple eye looks with this soon. Like I said, this was $52. The next thing in there is Skin Ink, My Daily Dose of Uplift. And it came looking like this in the box. And it says this skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme Q10 and hyaluronic acid delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer and younger looking skin. I will take that any day at the age of 54. Yes, I will. And it is $65. It is packaged like this, and take it out. This is it. Wow, this is gorgeous. Okay, so My Skin Dose Serum Cocktail. It looks like this, and the little, it has the little, these are the little stuff you see in there is a little encapsulated collagen, and it also has this on here. So before you open it, you gotta break the seal off. And wow, so yes, this is it. So I'll be using all of this as time goes by, and I'll give you updates on this for sure. For sure. Okay, so that was that. That was the skin ink. The next item in there is TRESTIQUE Refillable Brow Pencil Plus Gel. This super slick 2-in-1 brow pencil is 100% refillable. Ooh, okay. Keep your forever case and refill your brow pencil and gel to your heart's content. And this is $26. Okay, it's refillable. We're trying to recycle here, so let's do that. TRESTIQUE. That sounds like French, but I don't know. Packaging. And it is in the color Mocha. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, okay, it's missing something. Cover? It's missing a cover. Or is it me, or that's how it is? I think that's how it is. I thought it was missing a cover. This is it. I was like, it's missing a cover. Isn't that interesting? This is it. You think this is the real thing, but that's not the real thing. See, it's not the real thing. It just looks just like it. OMG. Okay, so you pull and you have this. Pretty. Okay. Again. Okay. So you turn and it comes out, and this is the Mocha. Okay. Is it not working? It's a brow. Oh, it is working. It's just so light. Yeah, okay. This is the color Mocha. This is this. Retractable. That is cute. This made me think that I was missing the cover. I thought that was this. This is it. Okay, and the last item in this box, and these are all full-size products, and I'm paying $26.75 for this BoxyCharm. Since I have started BoxyCharm, which is my first time doing BoxyCharm, so far the products I'm getting are so good. I am loving it. SOPHIA plus MABELLE. Okay, let's try this again. SOPHIA plus MABELLE Hydrating Hybrid. This hydrating hybrid is a lipstick and lip balm in one. It's packed with vitamin E to keep those lips silky smooth, but with the full coverage of a satin finish lipstick. And that is $15. That's the last item in the BoxyCharm for me. This is what it looks like. Let's see what inside looks like. This is the inside packaging. SOPHIA plus MABELLE. Okay. What can you pull? This is the color. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it feels nice and creamy. This is the color right here. Okay. I need to do a lipstick swatch because now I have 5 new lipsticks. This is it. This is everything that is in my BoxyCharm. Again, if you hear a lot of noise in the background, I have a full house of people visiting. Please remember to love self plenty and take care of self. This is everything that was in my BoxyCharm for me. and it means May's BoxyCharm say flourish. I think it was worth it. This is a really nice BoxyCharm. I mean, the colors of the palette, some of the colors from the palette, the lipstick, the brow, the serum, and the moisturizer is worth more than $26. I am loving this. Oh my god. I am loving these. I like this. This is not it. It's the casing. Right? This is the casing. I just love it. Anyways, please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first, love self plenty, take care of self. This makeup look is an Avon collab. It is on YouTube. Please check it out and check all the other ladies who are taking part of it. And again, as usual, I am saying bye. Bye, bye, bye. It is a beautiful box for this month. May's BoxyCharm is fabulous. Again, bye. Bye, bye, bye.